When resolving a case for a client who is Medicare eligible and still treating as a result of the accident, closing your file compliantly is critical. The whole system is flawed when it comes to Medicare. You take all the risks, you do all the work, you bear all the costs, and after you win, you must then deal with the Medicare Secondary Payer Act. We flip that paradigm on its head and fix the broken system based upon our experience helping trial lawyer clients across the country. We have developed a streamlined process to educate your client about the MSP while mitigating risk for your firm. We do this with a Medicare Expert Case Evaluation, or MECE. Here's how it works. We send your office a letter for you to send to your client explaining the issue and outlining the potential obligations. Synergy will also send a bookings link to set up a MECE conference. Client does evaluation with one of Synergy's Medicare experts who explains the risk of doing nothing and answers all case-specific questions you or your client may have. The evaluation is documented and results in one of the following outcomes. 1. Synergy provides a no MSA letter that outlines fact-specific reasons that require no further action. 2. Client elects to do nothing, and Synergy provides waiver and acknowledgement that they understand the potential risk of doing so. 3. Client elects to do a Medicare set-aside. In that case, the cost of MECE is applied against cost of an allocation report. A MECE is $1,000 and documents your file as well as ensuring that every Medicare beneficiary you represent is educated and protected, allowing you to close your case with confidence, freeing you to take on your next battle. Contact one of Synergy's industry-leading Medicare compliance experts today to learn more.